Karbi Anglong pen di mahasawara da Parman Indian Constitution along ke tokdak Article 244A mati hempre kache hangnon anning kan thomkebra trok arta pleng tanglo bonda bangso Article 244A kepachun jia phana bangke non puan ta alama matsa bilang bangso hempre kepachun jia phana bangke BJP racharya song atum pen lamchang nang ki pitek kang bangke joy kiamat asaya mo bangke non puan ta nang papleng pipon thek thedet lo Langdam lo pulote Kironia long LP Advani nang kisona hut surihini rakreplia sengkan MP kilik ahut dong muka long non kirobom Defense Minister Rajnath Singh setame lamchak chipilo tapen tapirgao setame BJP sarkar jongsi dead nang charilo pulote Article 244A bangke nang pachun pipo tapen Prime Minister Narendra Modi nang manong lo pulote somindara dangalong maddo monita khamkhedo na bangavelo la sinali tumakaria hemprex tame nang pachun pipo busi Rajnath Singh bangta lamchak chipitikang lo Bonta det pialong BJP racharya song atum kacharye ningkan crazy dam bomlo. Bonta Article 244A alama bangke non det ke jatum kapachun ponji kalisi pharlo anta Article 244A phana bangke hemanmi. La sojok puthot bangso Lok Sabha session ahut Article 244A alam kapangcheng dun thuje aphanpura kanchas kompen japonsi KSA, KRA, KRSA Karbi Adorbar, GSU, JNU pendanglok penang ana hamphang asong atum Delhi rongsopi along anpali damsi jantar mantar along kachesong asai padupon
get implemented is a very unfortunate because through this very article we can develop our backward tribal people, our backward areas. How much we are backward, that we know. So that central government also must know it, must know our problem, our backwardness. And we, combining all the student organizations, our demand committee, Kachesong, Karbi Anglong, the Mahasa, Sanmasat demand committee. We have been demanding since 1986. Now 39 years running, we are demanding through democratic non-violent process, but the central government not care for our demand. It's a very unfortunate, it's a domination upon the tribal people of Assam. Our demand is not a division of Assam. We don't want to come out from the Assam state, but our demand is that through this Article 244A, we backward people, our backward area also can also develop through this Article 244A.
Halapu KSA Kongchun Bang George Timong Ben Kaning Jepon ke Karbi Anglong Ben di Mahasa Arada Tumakar I taki Article 244A henlo. Kedamtang BJP Sarkar ini long lia prang alama bangke nitum jong si jakong wang lote nali tumakar ia bangke nang papleng pipo pusi lamchak nang chipilo sita non puan ta alama matjit han the pusi kachesong amaya long lam the jaipon
chicken neck because we should not forget that the BJP party, if they comes into power, they will implement Article 244A of the Constitution, which is a state within a state of Assam. We know we don't want to divide Assam. We don't want to stay away from Assam. We just want to be with Assam. As there is a concept that we just want to make more Assam by implementing Article 244A. So this platform, I would like to remind the BJP government that Assam, if BJP comes into power, Article 244A will be implemented. But BJP has betrayed us. Why? Why are you betraying us? Why Article 244A is not implementing? Why? This is a big question to the BJP government from the Karbi Student Association. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is full of BJP. The Mahasa Autonomous Council is also full of BJP. We have given 4 MLA from Karbi Anglong. We have given 1 MLA from the Mahasa. We have given one MP to from Karbi Anglong and Dimahasal, but why Article 244A is still not yet implemented? This is a big question from the Karbi Student Association to the Government of India, to the Government of Assam, and to Karbi Autonomous Council. Why Article 244A is not being implemented? Through this platform, we would like to request the competent authority, Karbi Autonomous Council, Government of Assam, and the Government of India, that if the government keep delaying in implementing Article 244A, the people of Karbi Anglong and the Dimahasal will go for another step.
News report, KTV News.